So let us start the second part of experiment, which is NOR gate as an universal gate. Just like the first part, this part also we will implement all the 7 logic gates, but this time with NOR gates instead of NAND gates. So to start with, let us review the truth table of a NOR gate. It has got 2 inputs and 1 output. This is a symbol A, B and Y. So when both inputs are 0, the output is 1. When the first input is 0, second one is 1, output is 0. When the first input is 1, second one is 0, output is 0. And when both inputs are 1, the output is 0. Okay? So this is a truth table. So the first gate we will be implementing is the inverter. Now if we look closely at 2 rows, this one and this one, we see that when both inputs are 0, the output is 1, and when both inputs are 1, the output is 0. So if we short the 2 inputs of a NOR gate to a single input, we will effectively get an inverter or a NOT gate. So this can be given as this. It's very similar with that of the NAND gate. Let us simulate this. See, when the input is 1, the output is 0. When the input is 0, output is 1. So we have got the NOT gate using NOR gates. Okay. The second gate we will do is the OR gate. We simply know that NOR gate is simply inverted OR gate. Or in other words, a NOR gate is simply an OR gate. A NOR gate is simply an OR gate followed by an inverter. Okay. So if we put another inverter after the NOR gate, then it will be like this. If we put another inverter after the NOR gate, then this would be effectively be 2 inverters after the OR gate, and the 2 inverters will cancel each other, and we will be left with an OR gate. So instead of an inverter, we will use instead of a NOT gate directly, we will use an inverter using the NOR gate, as we are restricted to the use of NOR gates only. So this would be our OR gate. Let us verify this using our simulator. Part of the circuit is already done. Okay. Let us check. When both inputs are 0, output is 0. When first input is 1, output is 1. When second input is 1, output is 1, and when both inputs are 1, output is 1. So we have got an OR gate. The next gate we would like to do is the AND gate. And to implement AND gate, we would require the De Morgan's law. So let us try the AND gate. This is an AND gate. Okay. Now, if we invert both inputs twice, then nothing will change because the inverters will simply cancel each other. This would be A complement, and this should be again A. This is B. This is B complement. This should be again B, and this would be AB. Nothing has changed. Now let us look at the part of this circuit, which I am marking it in red. Here we have two inverters followed by an AND gate. Okay. So we can use De Morgan's law, which states that this is equal to A plus B complement. So we can change the two inverters, simply replace the two inverters and the AND gate of the circuit by a NOR gate. Okay. Let us do that. Let us do that. This is simply my AND gate, and the final step we have to simply replace the direct NOT gates by NOT gates made by NOR gates, and that will be our circuit. Is it okay? Let us check. Let's try to simulate it. We would need another gate, another NOR gate. Okay, let's check the circuit. When both inputs are 0, output is 0. When first input is 1, output is still 0. When second input is 1, output is still 0. When both inputs are 1, output is 1. So we have got the AND gate. Next is the NAND gate, which is simply the inverted AND gate. So we put an inverter, and we have got NAND gate. Let us verify. When both inputs are 0, output is 1. When first input is 1, output is 1. When second input is 1, output is 1, and when both inputs are 1, output is 0. So we have the NAND logic. Next is NOR gate. Now NOR gate, using NOR gate is trivial, let us not discuss that. The next gate we will be doing is the XNOR gate first, because that is easier. This is the circuit for the XNOR gate. Let me draw it. This is A, this is B. The output is the XNOR logic, that is AB plus A complement B complement. Let us see how we can get this logic. So clearly this would be A plus B complement. This would be A plus B complement, whole complement, that is A complement A plus B, that is A complement A, that is 0, A complement B, and this is B plus A plus B complement, that would be B complement times A plus B, that is AB complement plus BB complement. Now clearly AA complement and BB complement are both 0. So that is AB complement. So what is this now? A complement B plus AB complement. That is basically whole complement. That is basically the complement of the XOR logic or the XNOR logic. If you want to verify that, we can do this using applying De Morgan's law. Okay, so that is A plus B complement times A complement B, that would be AA complement B complement AB, BB complement, that is equal to AB A complement B complement. This is the XNOR logic as we had targeted. Okay, let us verify this using simulator. We will be needing 4 gates. Let us not delete the gates, let us draw the circuits. Only the wires we can delete, not the gates. Okay, let us now connect. Okay, so this is a circuit we have designed. Let us check. When both inputs are 0, output is 1. When the first input is 1, output is 0. When the second input is 1, output is still 0. And when both inputs are 1, the output is 1. So we have done the XNOR logic. The final gate which is remaining is the XOR gate, which is simply the complement of XNOR, because at this point we have got the complement of XOR. Okay, so all we need to do is to put a final inverter as shown here. So from the previous discussion, this is simply AB complement plus A complement B whole complement of this, write it properly, AB complement plus A complement B whole complement of this, that is simply the NOR logic, and this, if you invert it, then we get the XOR logic. Okay, so let us test this. We need one final NOR gate. Implemented this way. Okay, so when both inputs are 0, output is 0. When first input is 1, output is 1. When second input is 1, output is 1. And when both inputs are 1, output is 0. So this is how we can implement XOR gate using NOR gates only. So that's the experiment. Now you follow the manuals to write it. Thank you very much.